Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are talking about the ultimate tool for any streaming device owner, downloader codes. I get asked almost every single day about which codes are the best to use and which ones are still working. So I have put together a list of the top 3 downloader codes that are absolutely killing it right now in May 2026. These are the ones I use personally, and they are the ones I recommend if you want a clean, fast experience. Even if you are watching this a bit later, these codes are super reliable and will likely still be up and running. Real quick, if you want to stay private and unlock more movies, grab a NordVPN subscription using my special link in the description below. Before we dive into the codes, if you are into streaming and want to keep your setup top-notch, you are in the right place. We cover everything from Fire Sticks to Android TV boxes. If you know any other awesome codes that I don't mention today, drop them in the comments, so the rest of the community can check them out. We are all about helping each other out here at TechVibes. First things first, you need the Downloader app. If you don't have it yet, it is a total no-brainer. It is basically a web browser specifically designed for your TV or streaming device. It makes grabbing apps that aren't in the official store incredibly easy. You can find it in the Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store depending on what device you are using. Just search for Downloader and get it installed. Once you open it up, make sure you accept all the permissions it asks for, so it can actually save and install files for you. That is the first step to unlocking your device's full potential. Our first code today is a classic. It is 75726. Just type that into the URL bar and hit go. This code takes you directly to a massive app library that is updated constantly. What I love about this specific destination is that it is built for speed. There are no annoying pop-up ads, no pins you have to enter, and no weird redirects. It is just a clean list of apps. Once you are on the page, look for the App Download section. It is organized into categories like launchers, VPNs, and media players. If you want to change the look of your TV, check out the Launchers section. If you need to keep your connection private, there are some great VPN options in there too. Just pick what you need, click Download, and you are good to go. The second code on our list is another heavy hitter. This one is 53402. Check this out. This code leads to a brand new website that was just launched recently. And the layout is fantastic. It is super snappy and very easy to navigate on a TV screen. Again, we are looking for a clean experience here, so you won't be fighting with a bunch of ads. When you land on the page, scroll down and look for the Get Tools section. They have a really solid selection of utility apps that can help you manage your device better. It even has a request section at the top if there is something specific you are looking for. It is a great alternative if you want a different variety of apps than what the first code offers. Now the third code is a little bit different, and it is honestly a game changer. The code is 4207212. Instead of taking you to a single list of apps, this code takes you to a multi-source search engine called AppLoader. This is perfect if you know exactly what app you want but can't find it anywhere else. You just type the name of the app into the search bar, like MX Player or a specific media player, and it searches the entire internet for the best APK files. It tells you exactly where the file is coming from, like Aptoid or APK Home, so you know what you are getting. It is an incredibly powerful tool that doesn't get nearly enough attention. Every search actually helps expand their catalog, so it just keeps getting better over time. So those are the big 3, 75726, 53402, and 4207212. Between these 3, you should be able to find pretty much anything you need for your streaming setup. Now, if you tried these codes and they didn't work, don't panic. There is usually a very simple fix. Most streaming devices have a security setting that blocks apps from being installed if they don't come from the official store. You need to enable unknown sources. Go to your device settings and find the MyFire TV or System section. Look for developer options. If you don't see developer options, don't worry, it is just hidden. Go to the About section and click on the name of your device 7 times. A little message will pop up saying you are now a developer. Now go back one screen and you will see developer options. Inside there, look for Install Unknown Apps and make sure it is turned on for the Downloader app. Once that is done, you can use any of these codes and install your apps without any issues. It really is as simple as that. Install Downloader, enter your codes, and enjoy your new setup. Just a quick reminder to always be aware of the laws in your specific area when downloading apps, as things can vary depending on where you are in the world. We provide this info for educational purposes to help you get the most out of your hardware. If you found these codes helpful, make sure to stick around with TechVibes for more tips and tricks. We have some great content coming up to help you make your tech feel super snappy. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one.